The legend has returned, and it's louder, sharper, and more aggressive than ever. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is back to reclaim its place in American performance culture, and Chevy didn't hold anything back. This new Z28 delivers a roaring 670 horsepower V8, bold new styling, and a race-focused personality that pushes the Camaro name into an entirely new league. Today we're diving into every detail of this beast: the engine, the design, the performance upgrades, the experience behind the wheel, and why the return of the Z28 nameplate is a major moment not just for Camaro fans, but for the entire muscle car world. Let's start under the hood, where the heart of the Z28 sets the tone for everything else. Chevrolet wanted a power plant that embodied the raw, mechanical soul of a true American track machine. That's why they developed a 6.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 that pours out 670 horsepower without relying on turbos or superchargers. This engine is all about high-rev excitement, crisp throttle response, and a soundtrack that punches you in the chest. It revs to nearly 8,000 RPM, and every part of its internal construction, from the forged pistons to the lightweight crankshaft, has been designed to withstand serious racetrack punishment. Chevy also equipped the car with a dry sump lubrication system to ensure consistent oil pressure during intense cornering, which is something typically seen on professional race cars. Drivers can choose between a 6-speed manual for a fully mechanical, connected experience, or a 10-speed performance automatic tuned to deliver lightning-fast shifts on track. Whichever you choose, the gearing and responsiveness make the Z28 feel lively, explosive, and always ready to pounce. The exhaust system on this car deserves its own spotlight. It's a lightweight titanium setup with active valves that open fully in track mode, letting the V8 scream with barely any restriction. The low RPM rumble is deep and intimidating, the mid-range bark hits hard, and the high RPM note sounds like an American GT race car. Chevrolet wanted the Z28 to have an unmistakable voice. They absolutely nailed it. Moving to the exterior, the new Z28 looks aggressive in a way that's completely functional. This isn't just a Camaro with angry headlights and big vents. This is a design shaped by aerodynamic purpose. From the moment you see it, the wider stance is impossible to miss. The fenders flare out with purpose, giving room for massive track tires and improving high-speed stability. The front end features a deep splitter engineered to generate real downforce, not just decoration. Air is channeled precisely through ducting that cools the brakes and pulls heat away from the engine bay. Up top, the hood has functional heat extractors that help the engine stay cool under extended track use, and the rear of the car is dominated by a fixed carbon fiber wing designed to keep the Camaro planted during high-speed cornering. Underneath, a large rear diffuser manages airflow to reduce turbulence and improve stability. Every crease and contour of the body has aerodynamic intent. This car wasn't styled to look fast. It was shaped to be fast. The wheels and tires are just as serious. Chevrolet fitted the Z28 with extra-wide performance tires, around 305 in the front and 325 in the rear, mounted on lightweight forged wheels. These provide an incredible level of mechanical grip, which is essential when you're working with this much power and track capability. Behind those wheels sit massive carbon ceramic Brembo brakes, the kind of braking hardware normally found on supercars. They're designed to resist fade even after multiple hot laps, ensuring consistent stopping power every time you hit the brake pedal. The suspension setup is equally hardcore. Chevy used Magnetic Ride Control 4.0, which adapts instantly to road conditions but is tuned heavily toward performance. The springs, anti-roll bars, bushings, and dampers all work together to create a car that stays flat through corners and communicates grip levels clearly to the driver. The steering is sharp and direct, giving you immediate feedback from the front wheels. This Camaro is designed to be pushed hard and driven with confidence. Inside the Z28, Chevrolet gives you a cockpit that's focused, functional, and ready for action. You get Recaro track seats with deep bolstering to keep you locked in place at high speeds. The steering wheel is wrapped in suede-like material for maximum grip, especially when your hands get sweaty during spirited driving. The layout is simple and driver-centric. no distractions, no unnecessary chrome, no gimmicks. Everything from the digital gauges to the performance settings is pointed towards serious driving. You also get advanced performance tech, including a high-resolution performance data recorder that captures lap times, G-forces, throttle inputs, braking force, and even video footage in 4K. The car gives you real-time telemetry that you'd typically only see in dedicated track tools, not road-legal street cars. You can adjust the traction control system, stability settings, launch control, and even the differential behavior depending on your driving style and environment. For drivers who want maximum performance, Chevrolet offers weight reduction options like a rear seat delete, lightweight interior panels, and reduced sound insulation. The goal is simple: less weight, more speed, faster corners, and a more intense experience behind the wheel. Now, let's talk about what this car represents. The Z28 badge has a long, prestigious history. It began in the late 1960s as a homologation special, designed for road racing rather than drag strips. Over the years, the Z28 became the purest driver's Camaro, the version built for balance, handling, and precision over straight-line dominance. The return of the Z28 in 2026 signals something important. Chevrolet still believes in the thrill of naturally aspirated performance and the raw emotion of internal combustion engines. In an era where electric cars dominate headlines and regulations push automakers towards silent, software-driven machines, the 2026 Camaro Z28 stands out as a celebration of mechanical passion. This car is loud, unapologetic, and built for people who love the feeling of driving. The vibrations, the noise, the interaction, the sensation of controlling something powerful and alive. The driving experience of the new Z28 is expected to be nothing short of exhilarating. With the wide body, advanced aero, enormous brakes, and sticky tires, this car isn't only fast on paper, it's fast in corners, fast in transitions, and fast in the hands of a skilled driver. It's the kind of machine that makes even simple drives feel exciting and turns every track day into an event. Chevrolet designed the 2026 Z28 to be a future classic, a car that will be remembered as one of the last great naturally aspirated American muscle machines. With its aggressive stance, hardcore performance features, and relentless attention to detail, the Z28 sets a new bar for what a modern muscle car can be. If you're a Camaro fan, a performance enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates the art of mechanical engineering, the 2026 Camaro Z28 is one of the most exciting cars of the decade. It's a bold statement from Chevrolet, a reminder that the spirit of American performance is still very much alive. And that wraps up our deep dive into the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. If you enjoyed the breakdown and want more detailed car content just like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel for upcoming reviews, comparisons, and automotive deep dives.